your mother and tell me about because she was asking me for some pampers for her, and then she kind of explained to me the situation, you know. So just tell them your name.
Anne-Marie Reid.
Anne-Marie Reid, and tell them
Minette Griffiths.
And Minette Griffiths. And so okay, so what's the procedure with Mama?
She have strokes from 2016.
From
She not walk,
Oh, she not walking. Okay, so was she on medication?
Yeah, she on medication.
Okay. How long are from them times, right?
From 2016.
So they never try to provide her with a wheelchair?
No, we get a wheelchair, but the whole I see it a bus out.
Oh, the bus out.
Yeah.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
So they need a wheelchair to mash up, man?
Yeah.
That can't work, man. That can't work. That could work. So she don't need a wheelchair.
Yeah.
How old is she now? How old is she?
92.
92?
Yeah.
Wow. My mama sit up strong, or you have to hold her up?
No, my mama sit up strong. Mama can't sit down.
It was a tough one. I shot the sheriff. No woman, no cry. African herb man. There's so many of them. Heathen is good.
Yeah, you know how I go on. You know how I go on. Yeah, which country you from?
Canada.
Canada. Welcome to Jam Rock. You know, the Mali say, yo, welcome to Jam Rock. You know, and how you like the experience so far?
It is good.
It's not what you're used to, it's different.
It's not what I'm used to, but it's good to, you know, be in the same place that inspired so many greats. Just knowing the past history of what they went through.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Well. Dream team, one team.
One more day again.
One more day.
This is it.
One more day again. Yes. Wow chef in the kitchen.
Yeah, man,
Look like he's definitely cooking chicken.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm going to wash it. Wait, man. You stop.
Put it away now, Remy. That can put it now. Let me see if you can get the light chopped inside.
Oh, stop. Very nice. Chicken. Very nice. Chicken. Chicken. Herb, man, you know. It's not national dish, you know. It's red rice. You know.
So alright, so today.
National dish cousin.
Alright, so Raw Chef said national dish cousin. Alright. So today now we're looking out for the elders them, you know.
Yeah, the elder them there, you know.
Cooking a meal today for the elders them. And this meal, you know, Sponsored by Love from a Distance from the UK.
Yeah, Love from a Distance.
Yeah, provide the meal for the elderlies, you know, so they can have a nice warm meal today for their dinner.
Yes.
And tell them how chef and what, tell them how we have cooking today for them.
You know, so I heard rice, you know. How chef and what?
Chicken, you know, national dish cousin.
No, national dish cousin.
Yeah,
so we have nice and peas.
Yeah, nice and peas. So we have the national dish cousin, nice and peas.
Nice.
Well nice.
Yeah, man, well nice, man.
So,
you see me?
So today,
Love from a Distance, respect him all the time. I love share them. You see it?
Yeah,
Don't
man.
know, we are prepared this year like that. We love what we are doing, so we'll keep on doing it. You see?
yeah.
We love what we are doing, non-stop.
You see the worship I try to make the love sign a while ago, the art, I'm trying to the art, you
From a
know.
distance, you know.
Art now make a no war.
Come on with the art, you know.
Now make war.
So from a distance, enough love, you know.
Cheers.
Both art, them.
Both art. One from the left and one from the right.
That's it.
Love from a distance.
Enough love, you know. From a distance, you know.
And this is the way it is, you know. And Oliver must tell me must drink a lot of water.
Yeah, one
You
Oliver.
know, a lot of water because the amount of liquor when you drink.
General, I'm
Yeah.
a cigar, General. Yeah, no star.
How we left the cigar?
Let me see you down, someone.
Pass out, man.
Yeah, man,
Too
General.
much drinking.
Too much drinking and smoking cigar.
Yes, I
Man.
live here, yeah, man.
We just
I
live.
got it better. Yeah, because I come up and become left on the local side there. That is
Okay.
about Oliver, cigar the least, man. So,
Yeah, man.
don't let bun some height already.
Yeah.
Least, man. Next time, I'm say again, you know, I'm gonna
Yeah,
give
man.
it
Different
Feel
thing.
like Castro not gonna feel no wasted, you know?
Yeah,
I know say he did a blaze it.
Get some more time.
Yeah.
Respect to Fidel too, you know. Yeah, man, cause them two band there, you know. Link up with Miami. Yeah, come on, I live for the Miami, you know.
No.
Man, love Miami.
Oh, well. Yeah, man. So we give thanks again. Love from a distance. Yes.
Love from a distance. Love, love.
Yeah, enough
Love
love
from a
every
distance.
time.
You know, we
Ah,
at distance, you just bring you close to, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
Love
This-
close.
yeah.
Love close, you know.
Yeah,
Close.
yeah, man.
As they can see the pot almost ready.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Rice steaming down.
Whoa!
And the gravy are bubble.
Simmer down.
Simmer down because we're just throwing the season them night as well too. You know, our chef set everything on fire already, so.
Next move, but hell of them will visit.
Yeah.
Make them get them meal.
Yeah, because from what they're not really too sick because show kind of up and down doing other stuff. You know, so.
move our make so.
Yeah, for them time now.
Feed them day to them, man. Hell of the day.
Yeah, man. So we want this week, you know, because a long time they not see we.
We have Tuesday and Thursday, we have them again.
Yeah.
And by Saturday, I hit that again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, see them, man. So blessings to all donors out there, see me. We give thanks to all who keep and make the fire keep blazing.
Yeah.
Right, shots. Light up shots to want a pants.
Right.
Shots, I love.
Yeah, get a pants and shirt for you, man. So see the journey continue. War chef there with the well stack out. With his War chef say his spikes are almost done already. And we are, I eat the spike, War chef, a small spike, a real spikes.
You want it
Every day.
in? Want it in?
Every day.
It's a
something
pure
like
thing that's right.
Yeah, man.
Pure thing and cook.
Flash out, flash out.
Everything thing I'll list for bosses today. No one of them that give you one.
Can't mess
Yeah.
up.
Spice, chicken spice, and you know, bust up some, you know, some macaroni and give you things. So I'm saying, I want to go look piece of chicken breast.
Yeah.
Now I know start with the chicken breast too, you know. Yeah, and have the spice them feet now, you know.
Alright, so we have run out of bread.
Yeah, man.
Just run in.
Shit, look at
So
me.
run out of bread.
Big up Dream Team, one team, all donors, big up.
Every
Run
time.
out of bread. Big
Alright.
up Kino. Yeah.
Here, what on there? What barn about there? Bob in the building.
Don't know, you know. I'm the other day, I say I want to big up by myself, you know.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, you know, one love and more love, you know, more energy, you know. I just say go with your brother here, sir.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
support of life and energy here, sir.
True,
Just keep
true.
yourself motivated and go and live it.
Motivated and
Make
go and live it.
motivated and go and live here, sir. Enough love, enough strength and energy here, sir. Until we see each other again. Here, sir. Big up
Definitely.
yourself. Pablo. One love.
Mother Teresa.
Big up all of my donors, them, you know. One team, real team, no fake. Everything you want to do for real. Understand? Big up yourself in a Pablo. Just go and hold it, you know. Just go and enjoy your time. Say, sorry, say your brother drop out. But I just life, I just part of the game. No matter stress, no matter worry, just keep on moving. Pablo, big up yourself again. Oliver and Carla, love, love, love. Can't stop love on a two couple. We can never stop love, guys. Everything what you do for it, we're grateful for it. You see, love. Blessed one team.
Yes, Burn and Bob. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself in a curly locks. Curly locks, I'm seeing up on the video, you know, me have big up again in a curly locks. One love in England in original. Kino himself made the writer, so we'd writer now. Yeah, man, I'm saying know you to, you know, Kino.
Yeah.
For England there. Yeah, man, big up yourself in a curly locks. And big up yourself in a Pablo.
Every time.
And respect to all the donors, them help out the people, them and make them can go and live here, so big up on yourself, all the donors.
Yeah.
One love and more energy and more strength. Peace in everything.
They are cook a meal for the elders them today.
Yeah.
So now I feel cook for them today because a long time I not see from the other day, you know. So now I for them time now.
Alright.
Elders them, you know. Yeah, so that's what they are doing.
You know?
Yes, I.
TrenchTown, you know. Keep going, you know. People go and live, you know. Bless it and eat it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bless it.
Yes, sir. So blessing brother, welcome to TrenchTown. And we have man like Cash, you know, who's known as
one team, you know.
Dream Teams. Yes. So welcome to TrenchTown. And you got rolling with Cash, you know, as you can see, the TrenchTown cultural experience. So that's the Bob Marley. So that's, I guess, Bob Marley inspired you to come to TrenchTown, right?
Yes.
Is it your first time here in TrenchTown?
First time in TrenchTown.
Wow.
I'm a Bob Marley reggae music historian.
Yeah.
Yes.
Same. So which song is your favorite song? Which Bob Marley?
That's a tough one. I Shot the Sheriff. No Woman, No Cry. African Herb Man. There's so many of them. Heathen is good.
Yeah, I know I go on. Yeah, which country you from?
Canada.
Welcome to Jam Rock. You know, Damian Marley say, yo, welcome to Jam Rock. You know, and how you like the experience so far?
It is good.
It's not what you're used to, it's different.
It's not what I'm used to, but it's good to, you know, be in the same place that inspired so many greats.
Yeah.
Just knowing the past history of what they went through and how as one people and one nation, they work together to survive.
Yeah, and we like that. And I never get your name, sorry.
Mike C.
So this is Mike C from Canada. Mike, so Mike, you sound like a DJ, man. You're a MC?
No. I wish.
You wish?
I wish, yeah.
Well, if you listen to a lot of Bob Marley, you probably can catch 2 lines and start karaoke them, you know, you never know.
Yep.
You never know, man. Yeah, man, and you're more than welcome. You know, I wish you can inspire more people from outside, you know, can come and visit the culture as well, you know, because Bob Marley's name is all around, you know, because he's the one that attract you here today, you know, and now you're running with a great as well too, you know, because his mom is the one that run the culture yard as well, look out for the culture yard. So there's a lot of good people now. We here now doing the charity, helping out the needy in the community. So there's always grace here, you know, football, everything.
Yeah.
So you're more than welcome to TrenchTown. So you can tell your friends, you know, to tell their cousins and tell everyone, say, let's go to TrenchTown.
Absolutely.
You know, and we got a pool in TrenchTown, you know, so it's like a little resort as well. So this is the TrenchTown resort.
Okay.
We got a pool over by the next side there.
Next side of TrenchTown.
Yeah, but there's no water inside it, so.
Okay.
So you're in TrenchTown resort. You're not on the north course.
Just won't dive head first.
Yeah, don't dive head first.
Yeah.
Yes, gosh.
Don't know, brother.
Yeah, man.
Step on the road and I say, I don't know guidance. You know?
Every time, man. Go and do
some work same
way, man.
I make him visit the studio and them things.
Yeah, man. Just keep, my brother, have fun, you know. A lot of experience here for you.
Thank you.
A lot, man, and you're welcome. Talpi.
Welcome. You have a general.
Every time. Yeah, man. You see you around. Want the high five? High five. Yeah, man, blessing. Alright, mango day. Joan still looking young and fresh.
Yeah, tell you.
And that's me some Bobby mother. And that's your son there, Joan?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You looking so young and fresh? So we so
I'm take care of Bobby, you know, yeah.
See them, man. So we have to take care of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Joan, later.
Well, blessed. And we have Marie. And is your mom?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Miss Minette Griffiths.
Miss Minette.
Minette Griffiths.
Oh, Miss Minette Griffiths. Yeah, so we're here in Jungle, which is what? Mexico? Mexico in Jungle. And you know, I've been informed by Fire, who most people know already, on the program by Chicken Thief. You know, you have to get that laughter out. Yeah, so people, so Mr. Handsome call her Chicken Thief. You know, so she see her grandma laugh too. Right, so we get that smile out the way, yeah, mama? So, Mr. Handsome friend, you know, a girl will act. Yeah, get her name Chicken Thief. So she can inform me and tell me about your mother. And tell me about, because she was asking me for some pampers for her, and then she kind of explained to me the situation. You know, so just tell them your name.
Anne-Marie Reid.
Anne-Marie Reid and just tell them.
Minette Griffiths.
And Minette Griffiths. And so okay, so what's the procedure with mama?
She have strokes from 2016.
Oh, from 2016?
She not walk, yeah.
Oh, she not walking? Okay, so was she on medication?
Yeah, she on medication.
Okay, how long are from them times, right?
Yeah, from 2016.
So them never try to provide her with a wheelchair?
No, we get a wheelchair, but the whole I see it a bus out.
Oh, it's a bus out?
Yeah.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
So you need a wheelchair to mash up, man?
Yeah.
That can't work, man, that can't work. That can't work. So she don't need a wheelchair?
Yeah.
How old are she now? How old is she?
92.
92?
Yeah.
Wow. And mama sit up strong or you have to hold her up?
No, my mama sit up strong. Mama can't sit down because she can't walk.
92?
Yeah.
Oh, mama, I'm keeping up same here. Keeping up, mama. You alright though, mama?
Okay, then.
Yeah, her voice sounds strong.
She have sense too.
Yeah, well, she must have sense.
Yeah.
My mama have sense. Yeah. I still the Jamaica climate and the weather and the healthy food, you know, and mama goodness. Because what she been doing before in her life, you know?
Yeah.
I can see I keep her strong, same way.
Yeah.
I can see you used to do a lot of good in your life, mama.
True.
I keep you this long, right? The goodness. I'm gonna bring some food for her as well too. Cause I look up a meal for the elderly them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring a meal for her as well too. And get the water.
Yeah.
I'm
Sit
not.
up, Mama.
She want to spit?
You want to spit, Mom? You want to spit?
Can't put on the food pipe. Yes, mama. I'm gonna also bring a pack of pull-ups as well too.
Thank you very much.
So, yes, mama. So how you feeling now, mama?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. Okay, because you bring her outside, take her outside.
No, I'm not
get through the wheelchair.
I'm not in a wheelchair.
Okay. So I'm gonna try and put the word out and try and see if we can get her a wheelchair.
Thank you.
You know, I would definitely, because we just someone said my boy was for a lady downtown.
Okay.
Which is where she wanna lie down? Alright, make she lie down. Make she lie down. Yeah, I'll make you relax more. Yeah, mama?
Okay, dear.
Yeah. She's 92. I was just, there was a lady in the program who was what, 90?
Yeah.
Her name is Miss Dally on 2nd Street. She was living in the same year with Bob Marley. Her mother was living. Yeah, and she was 90 as well. Well, she's older now. 92. You know, so like how we know where she is.
Yeah.
You know, I always make sure we keep update on her and see what we can get done. You know, even if we're getting a donation for her and anything, groceries and stuff, or we can try and get to support her because she ain't getting no support from no health at all. So just you alone have to try and do what you're doing. No government support, nothing.
One of my niece get money for her like government, but she not get it.
For that program, so why you not collect it?
So she never have it. Here, A-Triple, me I look after for go down there to them, but them say them have it from process now.
Oh. So you don't speak to the niece?
No, me not talk to her.
That's not good. That's not a good blessing.
What day? I 2 years now since she collect 2 years and some like, and what day me dey here with me and mama, and she send come $10,000 out of it and say she not gonna lie, she eat the rest of the money. Then she send the next 10 and she send 3,000, she not send no money.
Yeah, we're gonna find out and see what and just try to stop her from getting.
I just the H paper my want to get to do it.
So she have the H paper?
No, my mother never have the H paper, so me if I look out it, I look out late. Entry. Yeah.
Oh, so the niece put her on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
When time should I walk them time.
Oh, them time should I walk? That's a long time now, right?
Yeah, long time.
Yeah. You know, I try to make sure so we look out for her, see me, you know, because like how we know, we try our best and see if we can get a wheelchair and try as much. We can give her some pull-ups because that's what we needed as well too, as much. So we're going to try our best. Here, mama? Okay. We're going to try our best and see what we can do.
No.
Yeah? Okay, bye. Nothing about love. Just keep strong, same. Come like your voice strong. So you'll definitely be here for a long while. You know? So, and she not feel ill or anything. She not
No, she don't feel sick.
So that's good then, so she always well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's very healthy.
Yeah.
But she probably wants some sunlight.
Yeah, but she not have the wheelchair for care. Enough time she has to show her go to me can't carry her out there.
Yeah, I can see the wheelchair so this was a proper wheelchair with all it, so that was already in a bad stage when I get it, so that's why as you can see it was in a bad stage already.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try and we're gonna ask any viewer, any donor that's out there who's watching the program now, you know, if you're in Jamaica, you're around the world and we're here, you know, trying to get some form of support where you can get a wheelchair. You know what, she don't use a walker, right?
No, she can't.
Because she won't be strong enough, so it's definitely a wheelchair.
Yeah.
If anyone out there can reach out to the program and try to help out Mama. I forgot Mama name.
Miss Minute Griffiths.
Miss Minute, that's what our name for Miss Minute, right?
Minute, yeah.
Yeah, so we're trying to seek a wheelchair here for Miss Minute. You know, who's living in the Arnett Garden area, which is aka Jungle, you know, which is in Mexico.
Yeah.
You know, and we're seeking help for Miss Minute for a wheelchair, you know. And we need to make sure she always have pampas.
Yeah.
So we're going to try our best to try to support her in that field.
Thank you.
Yeah, Miss Minute.
Thank you very much.
Enough love, yeah, Mama? You'll definitely see me again, right? Right?
Alright.
Yes, Mama. Alright, then take care, yeah?
Thank you, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Alright. Yeah, plug it.
Come on. Tomorrow.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.